My name is Harpreet Singh Toor. Yes, he is a very close friend of mine. We have been working together. The question comes in why I'm running. I'm just going to go straight to the topic. We definitely are looking to be the part of the political system. But I have been working for the community for more than 35 years, one thing after another. My fight started with being a sect with a turban and beard. Even though I was told I should not discuss it, but it becomes a part of discussion when people look at me and when the people discriminate against me. So instead of compromising, I decided that okay, I have to fight it out. And it is not an individual fight, it is a collective fight for the community and to be a part and parcel of American culture, politically and otherwise. My wife, who got diagnosed with breast cancer in 1995, it reoccurred in 1998. I lost my job, I lost insurance. I had to pay more than $1,200 a month just to have the insurance so that I can get her treated. Insurance companies, they were giving me a run. And I said to myself, if I can communicate a little bit in English, I can understand a little bit of English, and if I have the issues, what about the other people? How about them? And that is something, which gave me more commitment to it. And as I went on, in 2006 she passed away, and I decided to devote my life not only to my kids, but also to all their friends, irrespective of their gender, if they come into the house. Even though I'm standing here, you can go to my house, the door is still open, they know back door is open. Papi, they call me Papi. Punjabi san pata bhi Papi da ki matlab hunda hai, and I tell them that's who I am. The reason is because education is the biggest equalizer. And from education, we achieve the next steps. Political process, if we don't participate, we are keeping ourselves out. I ran actually in 2010 also, and I ran in a general election. It was a special election. And in that election, it was not my decision to run, it was Gurcharan Singh Beering. If some people, they know him. He came to me and he told me that this seat is the gentleman who is a councilman, he passed away and you are a candidate. I told him, I said, listen, my wife just passed away, I don't have the money and I can't run. And he said, I already declared you as a candidate. I don't care, you have to do it. Fine. It's a challenge. We took it. And after that, the redistricting process, which at that time, and Mr. Bukhari knows that, there were very few people who actually went to the hearing and talked about that our community needs a voice, and to have our voice politically, we need the districts where our kids can dream of running and becoming their voice politically and otherwise. And that's how this district, which is 23 now, got created. And there were how many people involved in those discussions? 5. I was the spokesperson because of the visibility and everything. And of course the media, there are few things in the media when you look at that time they were looking more at it. And there were data people and there was a Chinese organization which arranged that. To cut the whole thing short, the reason is because now the next redistricting is going to happen, and I am determined and committed as much as I was before that I will not stop till I am dead to get the voice across and equality. And we need equality, and that's what my fight is about. And it will continue till it is achieved. And yes, I really wish I could have stayed and answered the question, but please, please, please feel free. I'm right there. 25112, Hillside Avenue, to pray, brothers. Email me, go to my website. And one thing really interesting happened today. 3 young kids, aged between 14 and 18, they came to my office on their bikes. And they were like, I want to ask you a question. I was about what? They were like, we have a school project to do. And that itself is an honor to us, not just to me, to the candidates who are running in this district. That these kids are already dreaming, and my dream is to put somebody in the White House. I may not be alive, but that's what my dream is, and that's what we should be looking for. Nothing short of it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Harpreet.